Well, happy Thursday, everyone. We had some rainfall early this morning, and it's going to be tapering off as we head into this afternoon. The rainfall, by the way, is courtesy of a cool front that's coming through. It's not going to cool us down more. We're already cold, but it will help to bring about very pleasant weather heading into the weekend. Let's get you caught up in the tropics. Tropical depression 19. Here's the latest. Now, the latest model run brings it in a little bit weaker initially because there's a little bit more land interaction. Still has it moving north out into the Gulf of Mexico early next week. We'll put all of our spaghetti models on it, and you can see the weather models agree up until about here. Basically that it's going into the Gulf of Mexico, but where it goes from there, still not known. Now, here's one weather model right here. This is the future either tropical storm or maybe Hurricane Sarah potentially, and this is Monday. So as we go into Monday and Tuesday of next week, this European model shows it going into the Gulf of Mexico, maybe heading out toward Louisiana, maybe, but we've got a cold front that's going to come through next Tuesday, and that may help to kind of push it away. However, that's just one weather model, and there is still a question mark with that. So we'll continue to track it and keep you updated. In the meantime, look at that. Lots of rainfall out ahead of the main event, the cool front. We get in a little bit closer. Many of us have already had about 1/3 to 1/2 inch of rainfall at least, and this is just before noon today. So a little bit more on the way. As we go into this evening, we will have dried out, rainfall far more isolated by then, and then overnight will kind of slowly clear out. We'll start tomorrow morning off with more clear skies across the upstate, a slower clearing for western North Carolina, but everyone enjoys sunshine tomorrow afternoon. Saturday morning starts off cold, but Saturday afternoon will be a couple degrees warmer. And by the way, Sunday morning is cold, but by the afternoon on Sunday, we'll have highs near 70. So again, kind of slow warming trend this weekend, but not too warm. As we go to Monday, still a dry day. Here's that cold front we were talking about getting lined up to come in on Tuesday or Wednesday. It's not a very potent system, so if it does in fact come through, it would cool us down a little bit on Wednesday and maybe a few isolated showers out ahead of that. Hey, today we're in the 40s. It is chilly, very January-esque, without the snow, of course. Mid-60s tomorrow, upper 60s on Saturday, near 70 on Sunday. Early next week, highs in the low 70s, but again, if that cool front comes through, we could drop back into the mid-60s for daytime highs by Wednesday.